The National Visa Center, NVC, released their monthly immigrant visa backlog report, and the numbers do not yet show signs of improving. There were 436,666 pending interviews in February compared to 439,373 in January. The number of scheduled interviews for the month barely increased, which means at the current rate, it's expected to take 55 months to clear the backlog and return to pre-COVID levels. Stay tuned because we are going to take a closer look at the numbers reported last month, what NVC is doing to clear up the backlog, and how you can possibly expedite your case. And if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for regular immigration news updates. So, what did we learn from this month's NVC Visa Backlog Report? As COVID restrictions continue to lift, people were hoping to see the number of interviews start to increase, but unfortunately, that was not the case. The total number of scheduled green card interviews increased just 3.2%, from 26,605 in January to 27,454 in February. At the time of the report, there were 436,666 applications pending in the backlog, waiting to schedule interviews. That is more than 7 times the average of 2019, which was 60,866 applicants pending each month. The NVC has tried to help clear up the backlog by waiving interviews for some classes of non-immigrant visas and visa renewals. They have also allocated $320 million to consular services and plan to recruit new consular officers to help work through the backlog. But it will take time to hire and train the new officers, and this increased hiring will not have an immediate effect so long as consular operations remain limited. So, wait times are not likely to improve in the immediate future. If you are waiting for an immigrant visa interview, how long should you expect to wait? The National Visa Center typically schedules interview appointments within 3 months of your case becoming documentarily complete, but delays caused by the pandemic have some waiting months or even years for their interview. Your specific wait time depends on your location because the staff, capacity, and number of applications pending at each embassy and consulate will vary. For non-immigrant visa wait times, you can use the online tool provided by the Bureau of Consular Affairs. If you're waiting on an immigrant visa interview, you will need to check the website of your specific embassy or consulate. I will include the links for both of these in the description below. Also, please leave a comment below and let everyone know which location you are waiting on and how long you have been waiting. So what are your options if you need to speed up your visa interview date? Can you expedite your interview? Some visa applicants with an unforeseen emergency, such as travel for medical care, attending a funeral, urgent business, or the start of school, may qualify for an expedited visa interview depending on availability. To do so, visit the website of the embassy or consulate where your interview will be scheduled and follow their instructions. If you don't qualify for an expedited interview, you may be able to speed up the process by transferring your case to another embassy or consulate that has more availability, but restrictions do apply. I will include a link to my other video where I explain how to do that. In it, I also provide step-by-step instructions for checking your visa interview wait time. I will continue to bring you additional immigration news as it's available, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so yet. Click here to watch this video, and I'll see you there.